Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the process and the methods that I'm doing on my way of vegetable gardening. And this video you will learn the step-by-step procedure on how to plant romaine lettuce from seed. Okay guys, so this is our romaine lettuce, and this upper part of leaves, I don't use this anymore because the taste is bitter. So let's go to the next one. Okay guys, in this one is starting to flowers, and when the flower dries, it will become like this. So as you notice guys, the flowers turn into black. It means it's already dried, and that's the seeds. And this one, those fresh one, just leave it, just collect only the black one. So this is our seeds now, and put on our tray, and see, just collect only the dried seeds. And if you have plenty seeds, just keep the rest of your seeds in the ziploc and store inside your fridge, and or in the vegetable bin area, and put label on it, and in that way it will extend the life of your seeds. Okay guys, so these are our seeds now, and we are going to proceed to the next step, and we are going to soak the seeds into hydrogen peroxide and mix with water. Hydrogen peroxide will kill all the pathogens that are on the seeds. So to make it sure that our seeds are free from any bacteria, just mix 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide into a 5 ounce cup of water. And then collect all the seeds that you want to plant. So in this case, since the seeds are dried, we can soak it right away to the water with the hydrogen peroxide solution, and soak it for 24 hours, and in that way it will improve the germination process, because it will breaking down the coats of the seeds. And using hydrogen peroxide solution, it will increase the germination process, and it will kill the unwanted bacteria without any effects on the seeds. And there is three ways of germinating the seeds. One is soak your seeds for 24 hours, rinse and plant. Then the other one, number two, is place your seeds on a length of paper towels with hydrogen peroxide solution, and then but do not soak it, just dampen only. And then the third one is rinse your seeds with the solution, then plant. Okay guys, so after 24 hours of soaking the seeds into hydrogen peroxide solution, I just pour it into a paper towel to get the seeds that we soak. And then after that, we will proceed now into planting in the seedling tray. So this is the seedling tray now. And then okay, so water first the soil with my improvised watering bottle, and this is only used bottle, and I make a little hole on the cap, so I can control the pressure of water, and then on how much water that I want to use only for the seedling tray, and to avoid also from washing out the soil into our seedling tray. And then make a hole like 1/2 inch on every soil. Then after that, get your seeds and put 3 pieces of seeds on each hole. And then once the seeds are sprouted and growing, just leave the healthier one and remove the others to avoid sharing of nutrients for a better growing. So just cover the soil like that, and then um, put always put a label. See, romaine lettuce with hydrogen peroxide solution, then the date. So you know, sometimes if we don't put a label on our seedling tray, sometimes we cannot distinguish or find out what kind of vegetable that we have in our seedling tray. So always put a label, and then put in a partly shaded area, and avoid sunlight from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. then covered with this, so it will serve as a greenhouse. And then after that, let find the best place. Okay guys, so these are my romaine lettuce and ready to transplant. But before that, we need to water first our garden bed, so it will be easier for you to transplant the romaine lettuce. So get the water hose, then water the whole bed, then make a hole with a distance of 8 to 12 inches apart, to make it sure that they have proper aeration, so to avoid fungus. Okay guys, so let us proceed on planting procedure. So just put one romaine lettuce per hole, and then covered with the soil on around, and then just like that. And then if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share as well to your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more notifications on my next videos. Okay guys, so we're done. I just planted only few only, and then on this side I will leave that for tomato, and then I just planted this few only to avoid too much supply of romaine lettuce. And then after 3 weeks or 1 month, I will plant again another batch of romaine lettuce, so I have a continuous harvest of romaine lettuce. And then on my next video, watch out for that, I will show you how to do the plant preparation on my garden bed, and that's organic way of farming. We are not using any chemical. Thank you.